Before I go into the presentation, let me tell you a bit of my experience in the financial markets. Like most people, I too started with knowing nothing about the markets and jumping headlong into trading. The result? Nothing different from the average trader. I too had my moments of euphoria and moments of abject failure, of making a lot of money and losing a lot of money, letting my losses run and covering my profits too soon, seeing my stop losses being hit, only to discover later had I stayed in position I would have made a lot of money. And as like most of you, next time I did not respect my stops and seen my account being wiped out. I was the regular victim of the market, one who gets trapped and loses most of the money. Always wondering, is there a better way? Do people really make money in the markets? On first glance, it appears very simple. Stock prices have to move up or down, and one can either buy or sell. What can be more simple than that? There is a 50-50 chance of failure to success. Alas, it took a few years and humongous losses to understand that it is not as simple as it looks, unless you know the real language of the markets. And then I heard about Albert Einstein, the most intelligent and the most logical, and his experience in the stock market. He invested most of his 1921 Nobel Prize money in the stock market, and he lost most of it. Now, my thoughts were, if Albert Einstein could not make profits in the market, do average people like me have any chance? Does anyone really make money in the markets? Is there a surefire way to make money in the markets? Not willing to give up, I embarked on a journey of discovering how the markets work, and it appeared so perfect. I felt once I learn these methods, I will be making money like the masters. After all, if they have done it, I too can do it.